Just enough for me, and the loss on the hands understand. You boys ain't on my level. My gas niggas, I'm a boss, I'll rep. Bring it on, I need it, does it. When they come to this beef shit, stem thugs up, and I'm about to get big mode and let my mouth flow. Break down one nigga, take a break and reload. Always down low, haters need to speak that mind. Nigga out of line, I'ma tweak, they shine, the world is mine. You just a part of it. I rap but I represent it. It's been a whole lot of tension over here in the game. I'm just waiting on a few more to mention my name. I'ma let the truth ring. I'm ready to ball. Trying to find out who the real North Star. If the nigga don't like me, better let it know. I got my game face on, protecting my throne. No, this ain't no big pick, but I'm taking this. Remember this. Talk down at your own risk, nigga.
Jamming and rolling. I thought that song had a bass line. Seem like anything play in here.